Okay. Hello everyone. I am Rajiv Simhadri and I'm excited to be your SAS based and advanced trainer here at Guru Schools. I bring with me 8 years of experience in the BFSI domain with a strong expertise in SAS. Yeah, sir. At Guru Schools, our mission is to provide comprehensive SAS training starting from the basics and guide you until you secure a job placement. So, on this basis, we have designed our training program based on 6 key pillars that are crucial for your success. The first one, training led by an instructor. To go with, our training sessions are conducted by experienced instructors who will guide you through every step of the learning process. Maybe it's SAS or some other software course. So the second one, certification assistance. We will support you in obtaining the necessary training certificates that are recognized in the industry, the IT industry. Third one, resume preparation. We have a dedicated team specialized in crafting effective resumes that highlight your SAS skills and maximizes your chances of getting hired a lot. So we have a skill team in this resume preparation. Fourth one, interview preparation. We got the extra mile to prepare you for interviews by conducting mock interviews with industry experts, experts in terms of people experienced in both financial and clinical domain, helping you build confidence and sharpen your interview skills. The fifth one, industry readiness. Our training program focuses on making you industry ready in terms of client interviews, equipping you with the knowledge and skills required to excel in SAS job roles, which will be both in financial and clinical SAS job roles. Last but not the least, the project support, which is the essential part. We provide ongoing support to ensure you become proficient in your role within your future company. Our support continues until you crack an interview and secure a position. Moreover, all our services are completely free until you successfully land a job offer. Dive into SAS training program itself. SAS, short for Statistical Analytical System, is a powerful tool for data analysis and manipulation, majorly used by banking and clinical domain companies. We will begin with the fundamentals, covering topics such as base SAS programming and its architecture. This includes data extraction using SAS or traditional SQL in SAS. Next, we will dwell into data set processing, where you will learn about applying formats, performing joins, using functions, and summarizing data. An essential component of SAS programming is understanding macros, and we will introduce you to SAS macros and its practical applications. Additionally, we will explore the extraction of data using implicit and explicit pass-through queries, providing you with valuable insights into data retrieval. Once you have gained proficiency in foundational topics, we will move on to the advanced concepts of SAS. These topics are vital for a comprehensive understanding of SAS, and you will have the opportunity to explore them when you join Guru Schools. To enhance your job prospects and proactivity in your role, we also offer training in SQL and Excel. These skills are valuable for SAS programmers and will be covered as a part of the program. After completing the entire training for SAS based and advanced, we will move on to clinical SAS training. We will start with procedures and then cover the basics of SQL and Excel, which are essential for SAS programmers in the clinical domain. So, in short, the above are the contents which will be covered while we go through the SAS based and advanced training. I am thrilled to embark on this training journey with you all. Together, we will build a solid foundation in SAS and equip you with the skills necessary to excel in your career as a SAS programmer.